Hello! Today I'll show you how to create a vector from any photo for your projects in just one click. This is not a paid promotion, I just really like this site. Now first open your browser and you need to go to vectorizer.io. You don't need any other softwares like Adobe Illustrator. In the website you can upload any photo from your gallery using the Upload Images button. I've chosen this image today, and yes, it's of Cristiano Ronaldo. I'll be making a yarn portrait of Cristiano Ronaldo, and I'll show you the result at the end of this video. In the drop down, select minimum, and you can also select how many colors you want to keep in the image. I'm going to select 4 colors. You can see how the result is on your right side. It's pretty good, right? You can also have the result in grayscale and also in black and white. There are options for that. You can select how many colors you want to keep in the image. If I select 4 colors, this is how it will look like. Now I'm going to select the detail to a minimum. This is the result that you have. Again, this is at 32 colors. You can select how many colors you want to keep in the image. This is the result that you get if you choose black and white. You can play with the settings that you have below. You can select the roundness of the image that you want, and I really like the clean effect that it gives. Isn't this great? It's so easy for your portraits. You can just trace this out by looking at this image. You can also get the same result in grayscale if you choose in 2 colors, black and white. But I am going to keep my yarn portrait in 3 colors, black, white and grey. Now to do that, I'm selecting 4 colors for my image. Just click on 4 and you can see to the right you have 4 different colors that is there in the image. Now you can double click on any of these circles to get the settings below. It will give you the colors for outline and fill. If you know the hex code of the color that you want, you can edit them in these boxes, or you can select from the palette. You can also remove a color from an image. Just deselect the checkbox and the color will be removed. See, this is the result above after removing the dark gray. Select it back to see the color on the image again. You can select any color from the palette to change the colors on the image. Just play with it a little bit to see the colors that you want in your image. I think I've got close to the results that I want. I'll keep it at this. Once you get the results that you wanted, you can download this image. This website is paid, so you need to subscribe to the service. You can check out their pricing on the website. For my portraits, I use this directly as my reference image. I trace it out from the screen. You can zoom the image like this and freeze your iPad screen. You can now start tracing. After making a few more adjustments, this is the end result of my yarn portrait of Cristiano Ronaldo. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.